If you're in the market for a used Ford F-150, it's important to know which model years have had significant issues. Understanding these trouble spots can help you avoid costly repairs down the road. Here are certain Ford F-150 years to avoid. 11th generation F-150. The 11th generation, which ran from 2004 to 2008, marked one of the most problematic periods for the F-150. Many owners experienced serious mechanical failures, particularly with the 5.4L Triton V8 engine. The 5.4-liter Triton V8 became infamous for multiple reliability issues. One of the biggest problems involved the spark plugs. Ford designed these spark plugs with a two-piece construction, which often caused the lower portion to break off inside the cylinder head during removal. This made routine maintenance a nightmare, sometimes requiring costly repairs just to replace simple components. Another widespread issue involved the cam phasers. These components control camshaft timing, and when they failed, the engine would run rough, lose power, and make a loud ticking noise. Many owners had to replace these parts at high mileage, and some reported failures much earlier than expected. Beyond the engine, this generation suffered from transmission failures. Many drivers reported erratic shifting, delayed gear engagement, and complete transmission failure in some cases. The electrical system also caused headaches, with common problems including faulty window regulators, failing alternators, and intermittent dashboard warning lights. The 2004 F-150 stands out as one of the worst in the model's history due to its overwhelming number of complaints. The 2005 to 2008 models continued to experience similar engine and transmission problems, making them risky choices for a used truck. For a more reliable used F-150, consider models from the 12th generation from 2009 till 2014 or later. Ford addressed many of the engine and transmission issues, leading to improved reliability and overall performance. The 2010 F-150, while part of the improved 12th generation, still had its fair share of issues. Many owners reported transmission problems, including harsh shifting and delayed engagement. Some trucks also suffered from electrical gremlins, with reports of faulty wiring and failing power accessories. 2015 till 2017 F-150. The 2015 till 2017 model years introduced a redesigned F-150 with an aluminum body, which helped reduce weight and improve fuel efficiency. However, these trucks faced early reliability concerns, particularly with the EcoBoost engines and the 6-speed automatic transmission. Many owners of the 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine reported carbon buildup on intake valves, which led to reduced performance and rough idling. The transmission also presented problems, with reports of hard shifts, erratic gear changes, and, in some cases, complete failure. If you're looking for a dependable F-150, avoiding these problematic years can save you thousands in repairs and frustration. Later models, particularly those from 2018 onward, show significant improvements in reliability, making them a better choice for long-term ownership. Always check vehicle history reports and consider a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're getting a well-maintained truck.